And God said, let us make man in our own image according to our likeness, and let them have dominion. So God says, let men have dominion. Man was created to have dominion. So the question is, what is dominion? Verse number 27, it says, dominion over the 26, dominion over the number 1, the sea. Number 2, over the birds, the cattle, over all the earth, and over every living thing that created upon the earth. So God created man in his own image, verse 27. In the image of God created he him, male and female created he them, and God what? Blessed them and said, be fruitful. He did not say be seedful beings, because they were already the seed of what he wanted to do. Then he spoke to the seed and said to the seed of his purpose, be fruitful, number 1, multiply, number 2, replenish, number 3, subdue, number 4, have dominion. So there are 5 steps to dominion. Dominion means have leadership, have government, have administration. God said, be government. After God created man, he said to man, be government. You know what does it mean to be government? It means man must discover how to build a parliament system. And then after building a parliament system, build a judicial system. And from there, build an executive system. Even those are the basic principles of operating a ministry. The Greek word for the word church is what? Ecclesia. The word ecclesia means the council of the people that have the mind of God. They come together to deliberate on matters. So that the people that are, they call it ek-kaleo. They call it this. They call it ek-kaleo. The word ek means out. The word kaleo means called. So ek-kaleo is the word out called. In other words, the people that are being called out. If we go to the word that we evangelize now, we call those people out. When they come, it moves from ek-kaleo to ecclesia. Ecclesia means now we begin to introduce them to the council of God. We bring them to a parliament system where we are legislating what the world needs to look like. When I mean to say, sister, what is happening in life is not according to what God has counseled. So we are in parliament system where we are discussing on many matters, speaking on certain policies. This is why the most dangerous thing on the planet is the church. The church is more dangerous than a gun, more dangerous than a missile, more dangerous than a bullet, more dangerous than the nuclear power. The church is more dangerous than the government. It's more dangerous than the national intelligence. The church is more dangerous than the African Union. The church is more powerful than the United States. It is more powerful than the United Kingdom. The church is more powerful than the United Nations. It's more powerful than that. And this is why when another government emerges, the primary mindset of the government is to be able to, first of all, oppose or to restrict or to limit the church. Now, the church can be stuck in worshiping, in praying, in fasting, and they don't understand their mandate. So this is why I want to introduce you to the mandate of God. We are called for leadership. We are called to lead. We are called to infiltrate. Now, God spoke it like this because He wanted us to colonize.